You know Durian? So you have to say really long.
cendol.
It's like, oh yeah.
That's good. It's good. It's really good.
Hai guys, balik lagi di Bina Channel. Oke teman-teman, pasti udah nonton vlog-vlog yang sebelumnya. Dan untuk saat ini apa sih aku tuh suka bingung kalau ngomong sendiri depan kamera. It's not easy guys. Aku masih kagok loh, padahal udah 3 tahun nge-vlog. Well, anyways, busway. Sekarang itu aku mau bikin es sebagai hidangan penutup. Aku udah berapa kali bikin es cendol dan sukses. Cendol tuh nggak pernah gagal. Nah, untuk yang sebelumnya kan aku bikin cendolnya pakai nangka ya. Kali ini aku bikin pakai durian. Ini udah waktunya untuk kita invasi durian teman-teman, karena durian itu masih kayak gimana ya, masih ada yang suka, masih nggak suka. Si bro masih nggak suka. Ya, jadi cendolnya aku tambahin durian supaya lebih ada kicknya aja gitu. So wish me luck, semoga mereka suka dan let's make cendol.
Halo pacar-pacar Mbak Mawar, piye kabarnya? Balik lagi kalau bukan bareng Mbak Mawar tercinta. Yang paling wangi, yang paling cantik, yang paling kalian tunggu-tunggu, yang tidak pernah melihat muka aku. Masih penasaran gimana? Wes, sudah nggak usah penasaran. Yuk kita hari ini daripada penasaran mending bikin cendol dawet. Bikin cendol dawet tuh Mbak Mawar nggak suka ribet ya. Jadi pakai yang saset aja. Yang penting kan hasilnya ya teman-teman. Ini kok teman-teman lihat tuh gampang banget bikinnya, tinggal pakai air panas celupin terus jadi selesai. Nah, yang penting itu sekarang kreatif bikin cetakannya teman-teman. Dan Mbak Mawar itu pakai dari tanakannya Magicom ya. Jadi kalau kalian tuh nggak cakep, nggak cantik, yang penting itu kreatif ya. Mau bilang kayak aku, tapi aku cantik, jadi nggak usah dibanding-bandingkan. Oke, sini teman-teman, wah kayak gini loh, satu saset cilik ikut jadi nih banyak, itu bisa dimakan 1 RW. Apa? Nih wes ya, wes cantik kan tuh bentuknya juga enak kayak gendut-gendut gitu, puas gigitnya. Nah, sekarang kita masukkan di kulkas. Nanti tunggu nanti, dan sekarang kita bikin gulanya. Nah, bikin gulanya gampang banget, tinggal celupkan daun pandan. Ya, jangan pakai daun telingamu itu. Nah, terus kita campurkan gula merah. Jangan gula-gulaan. Nah, nanti tuh dimasak ya sampai dia mendidih, berbuih-buih kayak moncongnya mbokmu yang ngamuk-ngamuk kalau kamu nggak bisa dibilangin. Nah, tambahkan sedikit garam teman-teman. Oke, nah sekarang saatnya untuk diracik dengan tenaga surya. Teman-teman bisa lihat Mbak Mawar itu bisa secepat ini teman-teman. Pasti nggak ada yang bisa kayak Mbak Mawar. Nah, itu kita ceplongkan duriannya. Enak tenan niku ya ampun. Mbak Mawar sampai nyancet nelain duriannya. Yo, masukkan gula merah. Taruh dan masih belum manis. Santan, oh gak usah kali teman-teman, ini santannya santan dessert ya, jadi itu gak perlu dimasak karena udah selesai. Dan voila, selesai sudah. Nah, sekarang saatnya kita untuk menyajikan ini buat teman-teman. Ayo.
Like social.
And then I don't know.
Wrong question.
Wait.
This is Romo, this is Nancy.
Nice.
Looks like a layered cocktail.
Layered cocktail. It's just a simple drinks. Hi guys!
Teman-teman.
Hey guys, welcome back to
Bina
Channel. Finally, mereka ikutan juga. Today, because it's summer, so it's ice time. Ice baby.
It's really hot actually. Yeah.
Ice.
Yeah. Before, I think Alex have ever tried this before, but with the nangka, the jackfruit one.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so today this is ex cendol, but with durian, bro. Bro favorite.
Let me smell. Oh yeah, I can.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, it smells worst or it smells bad when you have it like a little bit further away. But when you get it closer,
Just like smell it. True.
the smell gets better. I don't know.
Romo, you know durian? We'll see, guys. We'll see.
We'll try.
It's not too bad.
Yeah. What you have here, Romo, because you're the only one that never tried this before, we call it as cendol.
cendol.
Yeah.
Cendol.
Cendol. So you have to say really long.
cendol.
It's like, oh yeah.
That's good.
And with the accent.
As cendol.
Yeah, so this is a traditional Indonesian beverage and there's no alcohol in there. I think this is vegan drink because everything is from the plants. So we use, this is flour, actually mixed tapioca, rice flour with regular one, if I'm not wrong, correct me. And the color is from pandan leaves that have like a very nice smell. And then also we use the palm sugar, that's the brown one, so you all mixed it already, so you won't see, mine is still there. And then this one, the pearl, and then the white one is the coconut milk.
Okay.
And then we have extra durian to mix it. I never tried this with durian too, so this is my first time drinking cendol with durian. So someone is so anxious, alright?
I'm a bit anxious. I'm not mixing it. I'm trying it first.
Okay, enjoy. Oh, this is the, if you want extra, and this is the coconut milk, and this is the palm sugar. If you want it more sweeter than what you have right now, okay?
So what is this again?
Tapioca.
Tapioca. With
Try.
the color, yeah.
It's like similar to bubble tea.
like a bubble tea, yeah.
Okay.
Let's try.
Let's try. It has
Let's
a different flavor now than what I always know from the.
It's good. It's really good.
I actually like it.
Yeah.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
And I think
I wasn't sure about this one.
with this weather, like it's hot, it's just amazing.
Okay, I will mix it as well. Now that Roman likes it,
Yeah,
he's like going
I
for
wasn't
it.
sure. I was like, I didn't know if I was gonna like it.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, we both doesn't have that much durian. Alex loves it. It's pretty good. Aku jujur teman-teman nggak pernah makan cendol pakai durian. Baru kali ini. Biasanya aku cendol tuh suka polosan gitu, nggak pakai apa-apa.
I need more of the sweet. Okay.
Yeah, help yourself, baby.
Yeah, it tastes like something I've tried before, but I'm not sure.
You're not sure what it is.
You have never tried the durian, right?
No, never. First time.
Yeah. Try the pure one.
The pure one.
Let's challenge him, guys. Let's see how honest he is when he says he likes it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good part.
Just a little bit.
It's fine.
It's not bad.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. You just
Yeah,
always said before.
it's not bad.
I think the smell is really strong, so that's usually what I need. Like for me, the smell is a lot. So when I smell it, I'm like, I don't even want to try. But then when you eat, usually it's not so bad. But
Yeah.
but for me, is mostly the smell that
Yeah,
is like
yeah, exactly.
When is it,
Yeah.
Alex?
bothering me.
Last time I found like the mochi. I went to farm to table, Alex, and then I found mochi durian. So it's pure durian inside. Your Hermano almost throw up.
Really?
We try it together.
Oh, yeah. Because the mochi was also very soft
Soft, right?
and squishy, and then this inside was also very soft. So for me, it was too much of that. So yeah, I couldn't do it.
You never
Sorry,
tried the
sorry,
mochi,
teman-teman.
right? I'll get some for tomorrow.
Mochi, yeah. Yeah, calm down with that.
This one I like.
Tastes kind of like coffee, no? Kind of.
Because of the durian, maybe?
Definitely looks like coffee. Like a milk coffee.
If you put this a lot, yeah. It turns brown.
I can drink this. This I can drink.
Don't do that. It's sugar, baby.
I think if I'm being honest, I'm just trying to dilute it more and more. Like put more sugar, put more coconut, everything else except the durian. And then at some point it's like, I cannot taste it anymore. Now it's good.
Oh, you cannot fight durian flavor. It's so
And now I notice it's coming through. Oh, it's actually okay. Like I think maybe like I've tried it many times, and usually like a couple of times I tried it. Most of the time, with the smell, like I said, it's really putting me off. But then when I eat it, usually it's not so bad.
Yeah.
So I think for me it's the smell, and also a bit the look. It's like the mushy. It's like you said, mashed bananas. Basically, it looks like this.
Yeah.
But banana smells really good. And so with durian, this like strong smell is like, ooh, it doesn't look like you want to eat it.
Like,
But yeah.
today is kind of like a hard day for Basti because he has to eat stinky beans and durian on the one day all together, less than 1 hour.
Well, it was 3 videos. Who knows when they were recorded? Maybe it was 2 weeks apart. But we all met and wear the same shirt and everything.
What a coincidence, no?
Yeah, this is totally
Yeah, and you're still in town.
coincidence.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Didn't feel like it was already a month, right? That you were here. A month ago, you arrived. We had the appetizer.
Oh, I missed that. Take me back.
You're so brown. Can I try yours?
Mm.
It looks so brown. Yeah, sweet, very sweet.
Yeah, but it's perfect.
I like it not too sweet. But yeah, palm sugar is nice. They kind of be so sweet.
Isn't it like the same as coconut sugar? No.
Like brown sugar, you mean?
Oh, brown sugar.
No, it's just palm sugar.
Oh, palm sugar.
Yeah, it's from palm. I think brown sugar is from different. It's from the cane sugar.
From the cane sugar, yeah.
Yeah, this is from palm trees. So yeah, different. I mistakenly said that, and then one of the subscribers told me no, they are not the same, because palm coming from the palm tree, and then the brown sugar that the European has is actually from the cane sugar that they, I don't know what the process they do, so they turn into brown.
No, I think
it's actually
originally is brown.
Original brown.
Oh,
The
okay,
white
well,
one is
probably
the almost bleached.
bleached.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
The
probably it
refined.
was brown.
Refined, yeah. They're not bleaching, it's like, yeah, refined sugar.
Refined sugar, yeah.
They take off all the
So the Sampe
molasses.
mistakes have like the brown one is healthier, right, than the white sugar.
You
It's
don't
natural.
went through a lot of process.
Yeah.
Well, then maybe this one is even healthier, no?
Let's say like this.
Let's say like that.
Well, no sugar is like healthy.
Yeah, no, sugar is really healthy. Yeah, that's true.
True. We still have the ice maybe for us?
Yeah, there's still a lot of ice. I think so.
Oh, sorry, I'm the one finishing this.
Oh, I'm happy like it is sold out. Nice. You want the ice one?
Yeah.
Go on.
Babe, you can give your
That's good. That's good.
you can give your durian to Alex.
Yeah, maybe. You still want durian, Hermano?
No, you can come on.
Oh, I can.
I feel
He
bad
doesn't
like
like it.
That's fine. Thank you.
Before it's not getting eaten, it's better you eat it because he will never touch
Are
it.
you sure you're not gonna eat it?
Yeah, go for it. Please.
He told me to put it separately because he believes everyone doesn't like it but me. It turned out he's the only one who doesn't like it.
No, you take it.
Yeah.
Take it, Hermano. I don't know how you want to take it. You want to have it?
I feel bad. Are you for real?
I'm not.
Okay. Yeah, you
He's
don't
not a big
wanna.
fan.
He's suffering.
Yeah, he is suffering.
If you enjoy it and I don't like it, then
Yeah,
then
that's
you have it.
perfect.
I put some more sugar in, so it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
I
Come on,
think
you have
that's
that.
basically everything, anyways. Thank you. Whew, almost done.
You can cut the part when he gives the
Exactly.
Yeah,
No,
The
I'm
transfer.
gonna leave it.
Yeah.
Like literally for Indonesian, if you want to be considered local, you have to master.
You have to do the durian test.
Yeah, you have to master this.
Oh, really?
He failed.
Ooh.
So I think your brother is he did it. He can be local.
I haven't finished it was because I was enjoying it.
Aw.
Because you were drinking it too fast, and I was like, I wanted to finish it, but I wanted also to enjoy the drink. It's really good. I really liked it. I wasn't sure at the beginning.
It was your first time.
It was my first time trying this fruit, the durian, and also
Cendol.
everything. I think. Well, not the coconut.
How did you like this green?
I like the texture.
The texture, yeah.
The texture. It felt like boba drink.
Yeah.
Yes, probably, yeah.
Boba drink. Yeah, it was really good. I enjoyed it,
Yeah.
and I'm still enjoying it.
What was the point
9.5.
Oh, yeah.
It was really good.
That's really good. What you doing? You're finishing the durian. Nice.
Yeah, Ian and
Yeah.
my favorite.
How was it?
It was great. Very fresh for the summer. And I'm even finishing the seeds.
Wow.
They're soft and creamy actually. So they're good.
Congratulations, Alex. You passed it. You can be a local, Indonesian local.
You can get my heart with this.
Yeah.
Give me everything with Durian.
Exactly. Awesome. Okay, what's point you give?
I would say a 9.
9.
It's a good one. It's a
So for me, I guess everyone knows I'm not a big fan of the durian. Mostly when I smell it and I see the texture,
Wow.
it's not very appealing. But usually when I don't eat or try, it's actually okay. So it's more like the smell that I don't like, but the taste is actually okay. In the cendol, it didn't fit so well for me. Like I had the cendol before, I like it a lot, but actually just with the durian, it's okay. I can drink a little bit, but it is not my favorite, and I like more the cendol without the durian, honestly. So I basically added some more of the palm sugar and then some more of the santan, basically to hide a bit the taste of the durian. But in the end, I had to give some away, so I'm being honest. Otherwise, like palm sugar and the cendol, everything, the santan is really good. So I'm gonna give it like 6 out of 10.
Wow!
So, yeah, I'm being honest.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oke guys, kita udah selesai makan duriannya laris manis karena Mr. Alejandro he likes it. Both of us we had a huge chunk of the durian in our
You have my
channel.
respect, really, like, both of you.
So now officially Alex is more local than bro.
It's okay. It's okay. And I can open the durian and he can eat it.
Exactly.
Teamwork.
Teamwork, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm happy that my friends enjoy the Indonesian meals and that they really like it too. So I am super excited to try to cook another different dishes and then let them to try. So if you want us to keep trying different Indonesian food, just write down in the comments what kind of food you like to try, and I'm gonna try to cook it. Yeah, don't forget to
Subscribe.
Like,
Like.
and then share.
yeah.
Comment.
Comments, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Adios. I don't know what's going on with the Orozco. I never asked them to wash the dish, but look at them. Try to clean all the dish. We have the dishwasher though.
We're eco-friendly.
Oh.
And this helps you burn calories and to form.
Yeah. No, he was being pushed by his brother.
He had to.
Because he did the first one.
Yeah. And also, cook doesn't wash.
Yeah,
The cook doesn't wash.
The cook doesn't wash. Oh, normally. So this one is still single, guys. It's the husbandable, but really husbandable.
Now you
This
can
one
get a
is
girlfriend.
taken.
Now you can have a girlfriend. There's
Indonesian one.
yeah.
That one is not ready too.
This is the next one.
Oh my gosh. This is the guest who wash.
Good guess.
Yeah, good guess. Yeah, I'm gonna invite you guys more often.
Okay.
Someone is happy he doesn't have to do the dish for this time. Well, thank you, God. Wow, that was a good catch, man. Wow.
Some skills there.
That's why usually the guests don't.
Almost get fired.